yourself Kindness Day.
Hello man. Hello. It's my Father's Day. Today, just be kind to people. Like, give them a compliment. Or just say, you're looking good today. Yeah, it's my kindness day. Just be, kind, okay? Is this all you're supposed to say?
Well, what else you want to say?
Be kind to other people in the world. Be kind, be nice. Okay, I'm gonna cry. No, okay. How about this one? I don't know what else to say. Just be kind. Just be kind to other people in the world. Be kind, be kind, be kind.